Well, one more video on this armature is we've got it now chucked up into the lathe, and if my wife, my bride, will hold this, we will show you that we're going to turn this in the South Bend lathe, and we're going to put some emery cloth on it and polish these fields up. So this is again on the last video of the armature generator. So let's turn this thing on. All right. I don't know, Bride, can you see that we're spinning? Okay. Hang on a minute, and we got the emery cloth. We're going to polish this up. Ready?
Can't see.
Okay, this is the one that's going in that Craftsman motor. And we just wanted to take off all the barnacles that we can and make sure that this thing is gonna fire. I think we're gonna be in actually pretty good shape. And then we will put this back into the motor housing early in the morning. So again, this is just a little short clip of continuation of the Craftsman Motor, and we'll post it as a short video as well. And we're thinking that this is going to be a one super motor for that Delta bandsaw. Come back and see us.